Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Easy Way to Learn. I'm Shailja Tripathi and this is my second lecture on the life process, on the topic life processes. And in this lecture, I'll take up the in-text question that are asked. Okay, the first question is, why is diffusion insufficient to meet oxygen requirement of multicellular organisms like humans? So this I have explained in my first video or first lecture. So once again, I'll repeat it, that in single cell organisms, so answer for the first question, you can frame your answer in so many ways, but there are few keywords that should always be in your answer while you are answering science question answers and science subject. Okay. So in single cell organism, there is only one cell, example amoeba, and why the simple diffusion is sufficient. What is simple diffusion? Simple diffusion is a process by which the molecules move. So this process is sufficient because the whole body surface of the organism, is in contact with the environment. Okay. So all the processes, life processes like nutrition, then respiration, transportation and excretion can be carried out by this process, simple diffusion. On the other hand, if we see multicellular organisms, they have specialized cells, to carry out different life processes, and not all the cells are necessarily in contact with the environment, and not necessarily all the cells are in contact with the environment. Okay. So this life processes that are the four processes cannot be met with this simple diffusion, not necessarily in contact with the environment. So simple diffusion is not sufficient. Okay. One point you can also add here, that this simple diffusion requires a lot of time, that it is slow process. So simple diffusion is a slow process, very slow, basically very slow. So if anything is being transported through this process, simple diffusion process, So it will take long time, and to cater the needs of every cell, this slow process won't work. Okay, so you can frame your answer in this way. So simple diffusion is a, I'll write it again, is a very slow process, very slow. So next question, we'll take up next question. What criteria do we use to decide whether something is alive? So criteria is movement. So visible movement is, yes, it is a criteria to decide that something is alive, but we need to have characteristic feature also. So the movement should be molecular movement, and if there is a molecular movement, then organism will undergo maintenance process. So this I have explained in my previous lecture. You can go through it. So what criteria do we have done? What are outside resource material used by the organism? So the outside raw material that are used are food and oxygen, and depending on the nutritional mode, how the food is taken, how complex food is taken, this you can explain that autotrophs, they prepare their own food, heterotrophs are dependent on plants or other organisms. So you can explain it using your common sense. What life processes would you consider essential for maintaining life? So there are essentially 4 life processes. You learn it by heart: nutrition, respiration, transportation, and excretion. So, so basically this life process topic covers 4 maintenance process or the life processes. So these are nutrition, second respiration, third transportation, and fourth is excretion. So the easy way to remember this is NRTE. So your book is NCRT. NCRT. Remember it like this. NC, make the C a E and R in T. So nutrition, respiration, transportation, and excretion. So N for NCRT, nutrition, R respiration, T for transportation, T for excretion. So make your own ways. This is my trick of remembering things. So hope you like this video. Please like, share, and subscribe, and enable your notification bell. Thank you so much.